Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may spend hundreds, even thousands of dollars on repairs, parts, diagnostics that you don't need. Make sure you stay until the end. We will explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Chevy Silverado, that generation that you see right here from year 2007 to 2006 actually to 2013. If you have one of those, if you have a problem where the AC blows cold on the driver's side vent but hot on the passenger side, stay with us. We'll explain 8 out of 10 times what causes that, how to fix it, where you can buy cheap parts and tools that way do not waste money and time, not just for Chevy Silverado but any car or truck, where you can why it's always a good idea guys to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have a Chevy Silverado, that generation, that's the second generation from year 2006 to year 2013, we'll be making a video about every single fuse relay. Why? Because if you're in the middle of nowhere, you're down the road, you need to find a fuse for fuel pump, ignition, immobilizer, parktronic, anything like that, all we have to do, watch that video, spend less than a minute or two, find it, fix your problem, you're back on the road. Because most people will lose their manuals or it will not be clearly specified in the manuals. Some fuses have multiple functions. So we'll be having more than probably 150 to 200 free repair videos on that. We guys make video constantly here at the garage. We take things apart, engines, transmissions, bodywork, a little bit of everything. And we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channel that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Please check it out. In addition guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools, special fuses, anything like that at a really good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste your money and time, we'll share the links in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. So we'll demonstrate on this Chevy Silverado right here. Okay, if guys the AC blows cold on the driver's side vent, okay, but passenger side vent is hot, what you need to check. First, you guys have multiple fuse boxes in that Chevy Silverado. One is under the hood right here on the driver's side. If you remove that cover, you will guys have a fuse box that will look like this one. And then we have one main one that's on the side of the dash here under that cover, and that fuse box will look like that one here. Now, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you will lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So we recommend guys to always check first the fuses for the climate control. And any of you, if you need to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools for Chevy Silverado or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Check it out, you can save quite a bit of money. Any of you looking for the climate control fuses guys, we'll have video on our channel. But what usually guys, okay, causes the AC vent, okay, on the driver's side to blow cold but hot on the passenger side, 8 out of 10 times it's that device right here. Let me show you what it looks like. This is known as a blend door actuator. If you have a dual climate control guys, that means you can adjust the temperature on the driver and the passenger side. You will have two of these, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. They're attached to a flap that switches from hot to cold. And what it has inside practically guys, it has a motor with plastic gears that wear here or one of these cracks usually, and they start malfunctioning. Sometimes even the motor burns. And when that happens, the AC will be stuck in hot position, and that's why it cannot be changed, even though the AC works fine. Because of that blend door actuator, okay, it will blow hot on the passenger side most likely. If you want to see guys the symptoms of bad blend door actuator, we have the videos on our channel, check it out, and how to replace blend door actuator. But 8 out of 10 times that's the problem. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.